Here's how I finally arrived at my current method of cleaning my glasses, which I'm pretty satisfied with. Years ago I used to simply wipe them in my shirt, but I heard that dust particles and fibers will cause scratches, and sure enough I started to see small scratches in my lenses. I switched to paper towels, but I heard that paper towels might well cause scratches also. Optometrist employees will always tell you not to use a paper towel. But I never really saw any scratches, so I kept using paper towels for years. And I remember one time an optometrist employee told me that he uses paper towels and never had a problem. Maybe the cheaper brands scratch and the better brands don't. I don't know. But if you use 1 or 2 sheets a day, it is a minor expense. I started using disposable lens wipes. They seem to do a better job cleaning. I got fairly cheap ones at my local supermarket. But then I found out that the alcohol base will, in the long run, damage the coating on my lenses. So I had to buy these slightly more expensive non-alcohol based ones. A minor but annoying expense. And that kind was not available at my local supermarket. Then I saw this method on YouTube and found it works quite well. And it eliminates having to buy lens wipes or paper towels. You clean your glasses with lotion-free liquid soap. Rinse, then run them very slowly under the water stream. The problem was, no matter how many variations I tried, it only works if you go very slowly. If you try to speed it up, the water drops won't all slide off the lens, but stay there. And I was always annoyed at having to go so slowly. Then I switched to microfiber cloths. That worked pretty well. Soap up the glasses, rinse, then wipe them dry with the cloth. I found a nice brand of lens cloths called Clarity at my local optometrist. 3 of them in a pack for only $5 or so. I like having several in case I lose one, and I can normally keep one at home, one in the car, and one in my tennis bag. Another thing I like a lot is that each one comes in a pouch, which keeps them clean. So now, no more minor expense of paper towels or disposable lens wipes, and no more very slow rinsing. So this is the method I've settled on. It's pretty quick, yet it still does a proper job. I use a dab of lotion-free liquid soap and rub both sides. I rinse well with lukewarm water. I read that if the water is too hot, it might damage a coating. It looks clear except for the water drops. I wipe with a lens cloth. It is good to wash the cloth weekly because it will pick up dirt from the glasses over time. And that's it, ready to go. Took less than a minute. I hope this has been helpful. Please check out my website for other interesting stuff.
And remember this, when you wipe your glasses with your clothes, don't wipe in the wrong direction, or your glasses will explode.